how a successful e-commerce brand works. What's going on, guys? Jordan Velasquez here, and if you're interested in e-commerce, maybe you want to build a successful or solid brand, e-commerce brand, I want to show you how this actually successful e-commerce store is doing to being successful. And I'm going to break down this in 2 steps. The first one is to show you how they have a high converting online store, the different elements that you need to have in place in order for you to have a high converting online store as well. And the second one is traffic. I'm going to show you the type of traffic source they're using to attract high quality customer into their business. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to show you a way that I can help you do the same, attract high quality customer into your own business. So without further ado, guys, let me show you the brand that I'm talking about. So this brand is called Maggi. I really like this brand. They have amazing products. They have a lot of content on their social media, and they have a really nice design on their website. But hey, take in mind that design is not everything. It helps because it grabs the user attention, but there are other different elements when you have an online store that's going to help you get more conversions, okay? Now, let's analyze this store. We're going to scroll down. We have the new arrivals here. The structure can always change, but pay close attention to this. Sustainable. They are a sustainable brand. Nowadays, this is super popular because most people, they want to get a product, okay? And it doesn't really matter if it is an expensive product, but if it has a purpose behind, trust me, people are going to buy, especially with these kind of things like, someone's gonna buy this swimwear, and if it has a purpose like helping the environment, people are gonna feel good when they buy this, and you can apply this in any type of product that you are selling. Let's say that you're selling like a leather bag and you're helping local artisans to get more job and to support their families. So you can use this as a purpose for your brand, make the user feel like they're contributing with something else, something bigger than just buying a product. Trust me, this is gonna be a game changer for your brand. Look for ways to add a unique value proposition, something that helps you stand out for your competitors. This way, the user is going to feel more likely to get your product instead of the product of your competitors because you have something more powerful behind, okay? And super good. They have a really nice pictures. As you can see here, we have also blog. This is a blog. This is super useful, guys, because for an e-commerce store, if you want to start getting organic traffic, honestly, the best way is by having blogs, create content. And in order to do this, you really need to know who is your avatar. Like, look at these titles: how to shop more sustainable, how to edit your summer pics. Who's gonna be interested in these topics? Like women that love the beach, and normally this type of girls, they like to take pictures, and this is a good blog, and this is a good way to create content, valuable content that is gonna be interested for your audience. And as you can see, they have a lot of, they have keywords that at the end, they're start attracting more organic traffic into their brand, So if you want to have organic traffic, start implementing blogs. And the Instagram shop, really nice. Reviews, super important. It helps the user to convert, see other people that they're having good reviews about your products. Is a really good way to increase conversions on your online store. Now we also have this, a lead magnet, because I noticed that sometimes when people have an online store, they just put something like subscribe to my newsletter, and that's it. Honestly, nowadays people are really skeptical. It's more difficult for people to share some kind of personal information like email or phone number. Now, in order for a person to do this, they need to know that they're gonna get something in exchange. In this case, they're giving a 50% off on their first purchases. Okay, so I highly recommend you to put a lead magnet like this, because trust me, guys, the most important asset that you're gonna have online is your email list, okay? Because when a person go and subscribe, you want to be able to reach out to them later. Let's say that a person subscribe and they purchase, they take advantage of the 50% off. What you can do is to create email marketing series start selling them more products that you know they're gonna be interested in, and also you can start doing retargeting ads with that email list. And let's say that this person, they subscribed but they didn't purchase. What you can do is to start sending them emails, reminder, hey, you still have this coupon, you still have 3 days until this coupon ends. Something that motivates, encourage the user to make the purchase. You know, super important, you need to have a lead magnet, and please don't be using like subscribe to my newsletter for more news and upcoming products. People don't care about that. You need to give them something in exchange, okay? And something really powerful as well, affiliate marketing programs, okay? This is a perfect way so you can start bringing more traffic, okay? And look, if you have a nice product like this, people are gonna buy your product, and if they know that they're gonna get like a commission, you can see here, earn commissions every time someone buys from your link. Just imagine, guys, let's say that you have one customer, that customer has 10,000 followers and they are part of your affiliate program. So that person is going to start creating content around your product. Their followers are going to see that, and I'm pretty sure some of their followers are going to purchase from them because they trust her and they like your product. So as you can see here, this is like a chain. From one customer, you can get more customers, you know? So it's a win-win situation. Your customer is gonna feel motivated to promote your product because they know that they're gonna earn money if someone buys from their link. And you're gonna start driving more traffic into your business. Just imagine having like, let's say 100 customers that becomes affiliates to your brand. Just imagine those people creating content of your product, and you're gonna start getting more and more customer. So that's why I really like affiliate programs, because it's a nice way to get more traffic. Now, what I'm gonna show you right now, guys, is how they are driving traffic into their store. As you can see, this is a really well optimized, high converting online store. So once you have this, how you start driving traffic to it. So I wanna show you right now. So as you can see, they have the Facebook pixel installed, and basically they're tracking every action we perform in this store. For instance, if I scroll down, I'm gonna go to this product page, and they're gonna know that I'm looking at this product page. So this is really valuable information, because you can see it fires. Page view content, so super powerful. So with this information, how they use it. So we're gonna go to the Facebook library, and as you can see, this is, you can have access to this, and here you're gonna be able to see all the ads that this brand is running. And I'm gonna show you that they have a bunch of ads. They're running a bunch of ads, and trust me, they're going hard with advertising on Facebook and Instagram. You can see Facebook, Instagram. I really like their design, but something that you need to be aware of is that you really need to know your customer journey, okay? The type of ad that you're gonna show to a person that doesn't know about your business is gonna be different than an ad that you're gonna show to a person that has subscribed to your email list because they already like and know you and they're interested in your product, or for a person that have seen a product on your e-commerce store. You know, this is like a retargeting ad, those ads that are following you all over Facebook, Instagram, you know, that you feel like, how do this business know that I was looking at this specific product and now it's showing it to me? So this is called retargeting ad. So you need to understand how to show this type of ads to a specific audience depending on the customer journey. And this brand is doing an amazing job when it comes to this. So yeah, as you can see, just for you to see that these brands are going hard with advertising, I'm gonna show you numbers. This is SimilarWeb. This is a page that you can go and start looking at the stats of a website or app, and we have the Magi. So we're gonna scroll down. As you can see, they have this month like 173,000 visits. That's a lot of visits. The average visit duration is like 2.5 minutes. This is super good. They retain the user. Page visits 5, really good as well. And we see that they're targeting United States, the main one, and they're also Colombia. I believe they're from Colombia, so they're also targeting Colombia and other countries like these ones. But the main one is the United States. We're gonna scroll down and I'm gonna show you the traffic sources. So the first one is the direct traffic. So this is basically a person going to the browser here and typing the website address like magi.com. Okay, so this means that they're doing an amazing job because they are in the people's mind. The referrals, you know, those girls are recommending these products, their audience are looking these products, and now they have the brand in their mind because they like the design of the products. So basically these other people go to the browser and they type magi.com. So this means that they're doing an amazing job by being in the people's mind. You know, other people are recommending their products. We have search traffic. I show you with the blog, they're going hard with also organic traffic. Organic traffic is amazing because it's free traffic, but it takes time. You know, it takes time when you're starting, it takes time. You have to build it throughout the time. But once you have something nice, something strong, you're gonna start driving a lot of traffic to your store. Now, we also have social, email, they're doing email marketing. We're gonna scroll down. Referrals, I believe these are sites that are linking to Magi. Yeah, this is super good as well. Search traffic, okay, the blog here, they have organic traffic. They're paying for traffic as well for some keywords here. They have like a multiple combination of traffic sources, but as you can see in social, they're going hard with Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So this is just what I show you, you know. They're trying to do a mix because they're already a big brand and they know how to mix them together, but you can always start with one, focus on one, then you can move to other traffic sources. But as you can see, they're going hard with Facebook and Instagram, and just by seeing that they have a bunch of ads running, I'm pretty sure they're making way more revenue than what they're spending in this advertising strategy. So basically that's it, guys. This is how this brand is doing to be successful. And according to what I researched, in 2018, that is the last information that I could find, is that they made around 49 billion Colombian pesos, that it can be around like up to $10 million a year, I believe. So they're doing a pretty good job when it comes to selling their products. With this video, I hope that you have a better understanding on what it requires to have or to build a successful brand online. Now, if you want to learn, guys, how to start bringing traffic into your business, I want to invite you to go to my free training where I'm gonna show you how you can start with Facebook and Instagram ads. You know, there are different traffic sources that you can get started with, but by far, I consider that social media like Facebook and Instagram is the best way to get started, to start bringing high quality customer into your own business. But of course, before you dive into this journey of paid ads, you really need to understand how this platform works. Most people, they start putting money upfront to get customer without having idea on how to run a campaign or how this platform works. It's super important that you understand the principles on how to run ads with Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to learn how to do this, you have to go to jordanvelazquez.com/trainings, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna have a better understanding on how to use this platform to attract high quality customers into your own e-commerce brand. And besides that, I also gonna show you about sales funnel. Maybe you already have a business, you have a winning product that is bringing you results. You can create a sales funnel specifically for that product and start getting more revenue, increase your average order value with different things like upsells, downsells, you know, bundles, all these different things that can help you get more revenue. So basically that's it, guys. I hope that you have found this video valuable, and see you in another video.